Health benefits of turmeric. Hello everyone and welcome back to Whole Health. Today we're talking about a truly remarkable spice, turmeric. You've probably seen it in your kitchen or heard about its incredible health benefits. But what exactly makes turmeric so powerful? How does it work in your body and what happens when you take it every day? Stick around because we're breaking down the science behind turmeric. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. What is turmeric and why is it so special? Turmeric is a bright yellow-orange root that comes from the Curcuma longa plant, a close relative of ginger. For centuries, it has been a staple in Indian, Chinese, and Middle Eastern medicine, often used to treat a variety of ailments and digestive issues to infections and inflammatory diseases. But here's the real secret. Turmeric's superpower comes from the compound called curcumin. Curcumin is the active ingredient that gives turmeric its vibrant color and most of its health benefits. The science behind turmeric and curcumin. Now, you might be wondering, how does curcumin actually work in the body? Let's break it down. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is your body's natural defense mechanism, but chronic inflammation can lead to serious conditions like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Curcumin works by blocking inflammatory molecules like cytokines and enzymes that trigger long-term inflammation. Studies show that curcumin is as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. Powerful antioxidant properties. Oxidative stress happens when free radicals, unstable molecules damage your cells, speeding up aging and increasing decreased risk. Curcumin helps neutralize these free radicals while boosting your body's natural antioxidant defenses. Supports brain health and memory. Curcumin has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor or BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth and survival of neurons. Low BDNF levels have been linked to Alzheimer's disease, depression, and cognitive decline. So turmeric may actually help protect your brain as you age. May help prevent cancer. Curcumin has been studied for its potential role in cancer prevention. It can slow tumor growth, block blood vessel formation in tumors or angiogenesis, and even help destroy cancer cells. While more research is needed, these findings are incredibly promising. Promotes heart health. One of curcumin's most impressive benefits is its ability to improve heart health. It helps regulate cholesterol, lowers blood pressure, and improves endothelial function. That's the lining of your blood vessels, which plays a key role in heart disease prevention. What happens when you take turmeric every day? So, what actually happens to your body when you consume turmeric daily? Let's break it down. Number 1. You'll experience less inflammation and joint pain. Curcumin reduces swelling and pain, making it a great natural remedy for arthritis, muscle soreness, and even post-workout recovery. Number 2. Your digestion may improve. Turmeric stimulates bile production in the liver, which helps break down fats and improves digestion. It may also help relieve bloating and indigestion. Number 3. You might feel a brain boost. By increasing BDNF levels, turmeric may enhance memory, improve focus, and even lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Number 4. Your immune system gets stronger. Turmeric has antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties, helping your body fight infections and viruses. Number 5. It can support detoxification. Turmeric helps flush toxins from the liver and kidneys, promoting overall detoxification and skin health. Number 6. It may help with blood sugar control. Studies show that turmeric improves insulin sensitivity, helping regulate blood sugar levels in people with diabetes or metabolic syndrome. How to take a turmeric for maximum benefits. Now that we know turmeric is a powerhouse, how do we actually take it for the best results? Here are the top ways to incorporate turmeric into your routine. Best way to consume turmeric. Number 1. Turmeric supplements. If you want a concentrated dose, turmeric supplements are a great option. But not all supplements are created equal. Here's what to look for. 95% curcuminoids. Look for supplements that contain at least 95% curcuminoids for maximum potency. Black pepper extract, piperine. Curcumin is hard for the body to absorb, but black pepper can increase absorption by 2,000%. Organic and non-GMO. For the highest quality, choose supplements without additives or fillers. Number 2. Turmeric tea for weight loss. Turmeric tea is not only delicious, but also a great way to support weight loss. It helps boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and improve digestion. Turmeric tea recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder or 1 inch fresh turmeric root, 4 cups water, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, honey or lemon juice, optional. Instructions: boil water in a pot. Add turmeric and black pepper, then simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and add honey or lemon juice for flavor. Enjoy hot or cold. Number 3. Turmeric water. A simple detox drink. Turmeric water is another easy way to enjoy its benefits, especially in the morning. It helps flush out toxins, hydrate your skin, and balance pH levels. Turmeric water recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder or 1/2 inch fresh turmeric root, 1 glass water, pinch of black pepper, honey or lemon juice, optional. Instructions: mix turmeric and black pepper in a glass of water. Stir well and add honey or lemon for taste. Drink first thing in the morning for the best results. Turmeric is truly an incredible spice that offers a wide range of health benefits, from reducing inflammation to boosting brain function and heart health. Whether you take it as a supplement, drink it in tea, or add it to your meals, it is one of the best natural ways to support your well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from Whole Health. Have you tried turmeric? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience.